4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Ganda ng bus. Ganda ng bus.
Nakapicture pala, nakapicture.
Ano?
Saan? Oo, sabi ko magkakaroon. Kailangan talaga may ebidensya ko eh. Pagkakapicture lang kita. Sabi ka na lahat. Can you hear me?
Yes.
So how many of us? 24, okay? So we 24 go, 24 back, right?
Yes.
So remember who is in your next seat. Okay?
Ano pangalan mo? Baby. Nagkikita lang tayo, hindi nagkakilala.
Remember who okay?
So, ba tayo ni na? Ay, oo.
Okay. So, thank you for joining and thank you for participating for the morning activity. And it's very important. Okay, anyway, later we're going to the museum which is called Anthropology Museum. It is a museum in New Taipei, which you can see the ancient human being in Taiwan. Yeah, and then also in there we will find out that actually Taiwanese people and the Filipino people have the same ancestors.
Wow.
Yeah, we are all belong.
Oh, you go to the fish.
I think yes. Inside the museum, there are air conditioner. Yeah. And also
Ang lalakad.
tingin
sa baba. Di yan mo lalaglaan. Yung panamba naman kasi. Di naman tayo dito. Dito. Sige na, iwan na tayo. Napunta na sila sa isda. Sige, try natin dito. Thanks. Pero nakakalula sa baba talaga. Uy, dito lang exit yan. Saan ka pupunta? Doon ako sa loob. Mag-elevator tayo. Saan ba yun sila? Pag may maingay, sila na yan. Siya taga-bukas. O, alsa daw. Tisha! Tisha. O, isikan mo. Sikan! Yan. Tingnan natin sila sa sikan. Bakit sila? No, baliktad mo. Balik. Ang elevator niya na, nakakatakot. Walang makarinig dito. Bukas na ako, diba? Diyan sila. Oh, dito. Oh, dito sila, diba? Oh, yun. Wala namang isda eh.
So, at least now we all have a chance, to speak in front of media, to represent the video, to deliver our statement. Also, Maria has been doing that, right? Yeah. I can see it's a learning of us, and it's also very encouraging. And I hope everyone you can try it next time. Yeah. Anyone want? Yes. Yes. The girl will also try. I always. Next time, I think Susan. Yeah, there's Susan. Yeah. Yeah. And don't be shy if you want to. Okay. Let us see you shy. Okay. Anyone want to say anything about the day? Very enjoy.
I'm very
Sometimes I have the microphone, you can talk to everyone. Yes, if you want to say anything.
Uy, ikaw na. Ha?
Tagalog, ma'am. Okay, Tagalog.
Oo.
Ang experience namin ngayon, ang experience ko ngayon, sobrang saya ko talaga nakatanggal sa stress.
Sa ulitin.
I'm Senator Hergelano.
Tumayo ka.
From Miauli. Wow. Thank you, Miss Fred. Thank you. Although I don't understand. Okay. See? I'm Kelly. Sobrang nag-enjoy kasi pag naandun na tumulong tayo doon sa